Carburetor, man. How's it going? I'm Michael and this is Budget Bills. My dad and I bring rusty, crusty old cars back to life. What's happening, Budget Builders, and welcome back to the channel. I really hope you enjoyed that part one, getting that truck running after 40 stinking years. Now it's time to go ahead, get it pulled out of this hole, try to drive it out, pull it out of the hole, and let's drive it back to the house. See how it goes. I don't get any gauges. Alright, so you noticed it cut off. The condenser we just put in failed. It don't make anything worth crap anymore. So we dug through our trash bag and pulled the old condenser back out, and she runs. Let's see if it'll pull itself out of this hole. Although I'd love to drive it out of here, this old two-wheel drive's not wanting to do it. All right, hold on. Did I put it in neutral? Yeah, because I cut it off. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Keep on going. All right. Alright, so although we did make it down the driveway a good ways, you will notice the alternator is pulled off. Now, this thing is not charging at all, and we don't want to take a chance getting out on the road, getting our voltage too low, and losing our fire. So obviously we want to get that taken care of. We found one locally. We're going to run grab really quick. And then also, that tire said no more. As to be expected, so far 3 of them do have some air, so hopefully we can run. I got an extra one at the house. We'll run pick up, and then we'll grab our alternator, get back here, throw everything together, and hit the road. it. We've got a tire on, a fresh alternator. She's charging up good. We called, got her insured, and we're ready to hit the road. So we're gonna go ahead and take down this side street here, verify everything's working well, and then we'll hit the road and head towards the house.
What, the truck?
Yeah.
Because I wanted to top off fluid and...
Power.
Oh, just put it in third gear.
Oh, gotcha. Be careful. Stay in your hand.
No wonder it was cutting out.
Got a little bit of water.
A little bit. Let's kill that fuel pump.
All right, so we're about 5 miles in at our first stop, which is a local Spinks here. We're gonna go ahead and top everything off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean those windshields because it is getting close to being dark and we will probably see some darkness on the way home. Thankfully, do have some lights. We'll want to be able to see.
What happened?
Oh, that's terrible. We're getting there. I'm sure you can tell we got to keep charging the battery. For some reason that charging system isn't working. My dumb butt forgot my voltmeter, but we're getting there. We just got to jump it off every now and then, top off our water, heading home. We made it home. What do you guys think of the truck? Woo! Yeah.
As soon as I picked him up, he went.
Woo! Well, there you go. We made it back. 40 years ago, this truck was parked and forgotten. We went over there. We were able to bring it back to life, get it going, and drive it home. Now, as far as as far as stability and braking went, the truck did great. I felt super safe in it. No issues there. Obviously, we should have done some work with our ignition switch and put that in. I think that's what's causing our charging issue and all. And obviously, we have that leaky radiator that we do need to repair. But we were able to keep it topped off and able to keep that battery charged and make it all the way home with no problems. Burnt some rat turds and nest out of the muffler, as y'all saw, probably blowing smoke back there. But overall, I'm super pleased with how the truck did, and I'm extremely happy that it made it home. Hope you guys really enjoyed that and want to see more of this kind of stuff. If you do, be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. We appreciate all the love and support. Peace out, and catch y'all on the flip side.